You have a message from God.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid someone is endeavoring to contact you telephonically. Shall I tell them to fuck off?
Aquí te traje tu tequerito. Chupa.
The F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric! Dude, you just said fuck again! Stanley!
Who?
Kenny!
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison?
Soulja Boy, tough. I got the new dance for y'all called Soulja Boy. You gotta push, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soulja Boy, I'm in it hard. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman, that hard? Why me crank that Soulja Boy?
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone! What do you think, you're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little... Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal! And when I'm done ringing, that's it! You can say goodbye!
I may be small, I may look sweet.
My name is Chieves.
Fuck off, you stupid cunt!
Ding 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 ding.
Ding 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 ding! Look at me, I'm fucking funny! Fuck off! This is what a ringtone should sound like.